Are you watching unsubbed? Subscribe, will you? All right, welcome back. Right up the gate of this video, I'm going to do a, 60-second to 3-minute challenge to see if you can outbuild me in a WordPress plugin, the Hello World plugin, using a registered shortcode to output a line that says, hello, this is a new plugin, and be fully customized with all of its plugin information. And go. Okay, this is something I was working on a few months ago, and I'm just going to show you how far it's come because now I'm getting ready to beta release it for anybody that wants to use it. I'm not even going to speed this part up, I'm actually going to show it to you. Okay, the website to get this software is WP10 Plugin Studio.com, and it is free, by the way. You just have to input an email and send you a download link. Actually, that's for email. We're going to put that over here. There's a place to submit tickets for help. We'll get more to that in just a second, but I just want to quickly get this built. I want to show you how fast I can actually get this thing built. Okay, no menu. We don't need a menu. We don't need any actions and filters. There's going to be a full walkthrough on how to do this on the website. There will be documentation on each section of this and how it works. Remember, guys, this is in beta right now, so there will be problems with the program and upgrades and all that, which I'll do down the road. But as of right now, we're going to call this WP10 Hello World. There's our shortcode right there. As you know, in WordPress, shortcodes look just like this. That's going to be our shortcode. Let's call this WP10 shortcode function or something like that. Add the shortcode. Okay, now we're at the Snippets Importer. Well, we kind of have an issue because I don't have a snippets folder for this to read from. So we're going to create one. Watch over on the left. You got a snippets folder now. Inside of this folder, there's some pre-made files and folders for snippets we can import into our program. I'm going to go into HTML, create a new folder. All the snippets are saved as text. We're going to call this hello world.txt. I'll show you right now. We're going to open it up in Notepad. We're going to run this as a PHP echo statement. And we are going to say, hello world, this is WP10 created. Alright, save that. Now what we're going to do is go back into our program. We don't have any of our hooks loaded, or our defined shortcodes and hooks. We hit load, redefine shortcode hooks. There it is right there, the one that we just created in our shortcodes. We're going to reload our snippet resources since we just created the folder. Here's the HTML folder. Here's that hello world text. Oops, it's double texted. We got to remove one. Wonder why it's got 2 on it. Okay, let's reload it again. There it is. Save it to the defined shortcode hook. There it is. Right to the deploy. We're not including any custom CSS to the public or the back end. Deploy, and I did it. Okay, so now we can take a look at this file and folder structure. It is using the WordPress Plugin Boilerplate as its original file structure that it writes on. But let's go ahead and just make this even faster to show you that it works. What you do is you take this, you send it to a compressed zipped file. Now we have an installable plugin. Head over to our website, to our plugin. This is the SEO local website I've been working on for a tutorial series. Upload, and we're going to select our Hello World plugin, install it. It's successful. Go ahead and activate it. Plugin was activated. Now let's take a quick look. If we open up our WP10 Studio, you will see right here, this is the one we just created. This is our WP10 Hello World. This is by me at the website. Visit the plugin. This is the description, the version, everything that we set. And now, if we go to the front end of the website and we turn on our builder, and we take the shortcode that we registered, and we can find any section we want. Let's just put it right down here at the bottom. Or maybe, how about right here under the testimonial section we built. Let's drop it in here. As you can see, it just says text content. Add in our shortcode, save it, close it, and guess what it's going to say? Hello world, this is WP10 created. How long was that? Could have been more than 5 minutes from when we just started to when we just created that. So let's recap. Within 5 minutes I created a Hello World plugin that uses the WordPress Plugin Boilerplate code-based files. We were able to give it all of its plugin core information. We were able to establish a shortcode. We can then create unlimited shortcodes. We were able to create a new desktop folder that can have unlimited files and folders for your organization. CSS, JS, HTML snippets, admin snippets. You can name these and put files in them as you please. Upload them into here. You can even preview them in here and modify them real time and save them from here over the file. And then you can commit them to hooks and menu items and public actions and admin hooks. We could have added any amount of admin hooks we wanted. We could have added anything you want, anything your heart desires into the WordPress to add. And then we can add as many code snippets to each and every individual item as we want to build a fully functional plugin. We can load our sources. We can reload our hooks and define hooks every time we add new ones. Then we have the ability to add CSS to our admin side or our back end that loads in and registers custom new CSS files. Same thing with JS. We could load in custom admin or admin-facing or public-facing JS files. This would be Bootstrap and things like that to this plugin, and then include it into our plugin as well. And when you have these files inside of your desktop snippets folder, it will duplicate all of them into your finished plugin for you and package it ready to install. So let's spend a few minutes talking real quick about what this is. This is a plugin creation studio that I built. I'm actually just calling it Plugin Studio, WP10 Plugin Studio. I built this software a few months ago for people who are wanting to be educated on how to build plugins. It's going to get better and better. I have a lot of ideas for how to improve this, like adding custom post types, form detection for when you want to save custom options for your administrative options and things like that. At this point, you'd have to kind of do some of that stuff on your own, but as of right now, you can add admin menus, unlimited sub-menu pages. You can select from the dash icons, and like I said, you can add any hooks you want with custom callback functions. These will actually load a custom callback partials page, which can be fully customized to your whim. Shortcodes, like I said, code snippets importer, CSS, JS, everything you could ask for somebody who's trying to build just a really cool basic plugin, and then be able to just go out on the internet or from your own code, find snippets of code that you want to use in a plugin, figure out how you want to combine them, commit them to all the hooks you want to place them in, hit go, and now you have a plugin ready to install just like that. And then inside the file structure of this plugin, you'll see that everything is organized exactly like you'd recognize with WordPress Boilerplate plugin. You have everything except for everything has been properly renamed for you as your plugin name. It's gotten rid of all the stand-in boiler information, and we have all of our includes. Everything's properly named and put in. If you do administrative menu, all the administrative menu items will automatically be put in with the proper callbacks, etc. Alright, last thing, what does it cost for you? Well, as of right now, I'm not going to charge anything for this program. In fact, I'll take you to the website you can go to check it out. The website you can go to check it out is WP10PluginStudio.com. I made it so that you can come here. This video is not updated to the newest one. It will be this one right here that we're making right now. A little bit about who I am and why I built it. Some features, and then right here you can hit download, enter an email, and it'll shoot you a download link. It is free. I don't share your information. Your email is mostly for me being able to update you on future versions of the program so that you can get future updates of it. And then also, if you have any suggestions or questions for me personally, you can put them here. And then also you will be able to submit a ticket. This is another thing. If you have some kind of extreme issue with the plugin, you can actually register an account and submit a ticket. Okay? All this is a work in progress, you guys. So if you have big issues with the with the software, if it's like crashing on you or like has some, make sure you let me know what you're running into, because like I said, I am working on this thing real time, and I'm kind of doing a little bit of a pre-release. I just wanted people to have access to it because it's been a few months since I originally built it, and I kind of finished up some of its features. So anyway, I think that's going to conclude us for this video. Like I said, you can go over to the site WP10PluginStudio.com. It'll be in the description, and request a copy, and you'll be able to download this and start playing around with it. And it should help you out a lot. If anything, it'll just help you get educated. You can actually build really simple programs like this one, and then you can go into the files and folder structure and be able to pick apart what it did. Look at how it registered the short code, look at how I was able to call to it, change some code in the short code, see what it does, and break it, because you can easily build another one. So like I said in the beginning, subscribe, will you, if you're not already, and if you need any more in-depth analysis on how this works, I'm going to have it build a few more in-depth plugins, and I'm going to make videos of that, and then I'm also going to try to start updating the documentation on the website, on the WP10 plugin website. I'm going to make a documentation section so that you can kind of get an idea of better how it works, and also version changes. Like I said, I already have lots of ideas on how to improve this and make it better. So anyway, I appreciate it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and get yourself a copy while I'm just beta. Consider yourself a beta tester, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.